In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Codex CLI on macOS using the terminal. Let's get into it. Open Terminal on your Mac. The easiest way to install Codex is with Homebrew. If you don't have Homebrew yet, install it by pasting this command and hitting Enter. /bin/bash/c $square brackets curl-fssl https://www.github.com/homebrew/install/head/install.sh. Once Homebrew is installed, run this command, brew install//cask codex. This downloads and installs the latest Codex CLI. The installation takes about 30 to 60 seconds. To verify it installed correctly, run codex-version. You should see output showing the version number, like Codex CLI 0.47.0 or similar. Alternatively, if you prefer using npm, make sure you have Node.js version 18 or higher installed, then run npm install-g at openai/codex. Either method works. Pick whichever package manager you're comfortable with. Now run Codex. The first time you launch Codex, it will open your browser and ask you to sign in. Log in with your ChatGPT Plus, Pro, Business, Edu, or Enterprise account. If you're using an API key instead, set it as an environment variable first with export OpenAI API key equals your key here. After signing in, you're ready to use Codex. Navigate to any project folder and run Codex to start an interactive session where you can ask it to read files, write code, or run commands. And that's it. Codex CLI is now installed and running on your Mac. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.